Hey guys, so I'm here today. I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and claim your IDO tokens on Everstart. Today, the token of the day is Sparta Cats. My friend went ahead and he invested some Ever tokens, so he's now able to claim his Sparta Cats per token, 44.5 million. So let's go ahead, and I went to the chat room and it looks like we need to change to the mainnet ADNL. So you can't use the other mainnet, you have to use this mainnet for some reason. Then you just go ahead and press this get tokens, so you can see they're released on 6-14. So you press get tokens, and that's actually claim tokens. So you can claim your reward here, and you just type in your password, confirm transaction right there. I just pressed that. And your claim request has been created. Please wait. Okay, look, so you can see the request for available tokens has been successfully created. Track the receipt in your Ever wallet. Okay, so you can actually see, like I told you, I switched to mainnet ADNL, and now I should have a lot of per tokens. So I don't have a lot yet, but I should get a lot here in just a minute. So you can see I've now received my per tokens, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hope that helped you out. Have a great day.